Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a very exciting one. I'm going to be styling my curly hair for the first time since like many years ago. Honestly, the last time I did my hair curly was like 2012. So it's been a while. I have no idea what I'm doing. So if you have any tips and recommendations on what I can improve on, let me know down below because I definitely need some help. So, and if you hear me out of breath, that's because I'm 39 weeks pregnant. So literally baby can come anytime now and I'm like out of breath. So, okay, so I've been watching a lot of videos on like curly routines and I picked out some of the products that the girls' curly hair kind of matched mine and see if that would work. I know every curly hair is different and it reacts differently to different products. So we'll see if these ones will work out. Starting off with the product that I used in the shower for my shampoo, I ended up using this one, which is, I like this one. It's from Shea Moisture. And then for the deep conditioner, I tried this one, which is from Gisou, and I've been liking this one. This is like a deep repair mask. It says Honey Gloss Ceramide Therapy. It's a hair mask. And then right now, I'll take this off. Been kind of drying for a little bit, but yes, we use a microfiber towel, but from what I've been learning. So got this one from Target. Let me just leave it here for now. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking right now, right out of the shower. Okay, so this is, I guess, the only time that you get to brush your hair. So I'm going to brush it out and then I'm going to go in with a leave-in conditioner from, again, Gisou. This is the Honey Milk Active Repair Leave-In Conditioner Mist. I love how this smells. I've already been using it and on the days that like I straighten my hair, and I love how it smells. Okay, so they say you should have your hair really wet. If you have any like frizzy parts now, it's gonna be frizzy later. So I have this spray bottle. It's actually my daughter's, but I'll just be using it. Okay, soaking wet again. Okay. I've seen different curly routines, some with the bounce curl brush, which I do have, but for this routine, I'm not gonna use it. We'll see how it goes. That'll be for next time, for next trial. But for now, I'm gonna be using this. I'm just gonna be using my hands to like, just style it. Okay, so I usually put this on my hands first and then I put it in my hair. So just 2 spritz. I love how it smells. Just put it in everywhere. But yes, like I said, if you have any tips, let me know what I can improve on. Now we go in with the curl cream, which this is the one that I end up getting by Ouai, I believe. This is their curl cream, and it's brand new, so I'm gonna take off this. And I honestly don't know how much I should be using for my hair, but I went with that amount. I don't know if it's gonna be a lot or a little. Okay, and then after this, Mousse, I believe. And this one is by Function of Beauty. Zero Gravity Styling Mousse. So this is what I'm going to be using. Let me take the tape off. My hands are so should have done this before because my hands are slippery. If you didn't know my story, I've had curly hair, but growing up, I just didn't know how to style it, so I ended up not liking my curly hair. And then when I turned 15 is when I found out about the hair straightener, and I've been straightening my hair ever since. And then I ended up doing the, let's see, applying to damp hair. Okay. I ended up doing the Brazilian blowout. I liked how it looked, but I wanted something more permanent. And then that's when I ended up finding the Japanese hair straightening treatment, and I've been doing that for many, many years. And I honestly still love it, but I have 2 daughters right now. One of them, she has my hair. She has curly hair. And so I wanted to help her with her curly hair journey. So that's why I'm trying to embrace mine so I can help her, because I don't know. Okay, so I think the mousse goes on the roots mainly. And they say flip over and then we'll apply it on the ends. So, and scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. And then put it back gently. Okay, as much as you want to touch it, don't touch it, they say. Okay, next up, we're gonna use the gel. And this is the one that I ended up picking, was the Eco Style styling gel. This one is max hold, so we'll see. But yeah, so my daughter has curly hair, so I want to embrace my hair so I can help her. And it's funny because like my other daughter who doesn't have curly hair, they both call it poofy hair, and she's always asking me to like make her hair poofy hair, meaning like curly hair. So find that cute. Because growing up, there was no curly girl routine, there was no diffusing, there was no a lot of things. I honestly remember just doing mousse and hairspray, and that's it. Okay, so I have like about that much on both my hands. I'm just gonna spread it on both sides. And start scrunching. And then, yeah, growing up, I feel like there was not a lot of curly hair representation. So this is how it's looking like. Now, I do not have a diffuser, so I'm just gonna let it air dry. But this is how it looks right now. I don't know if you can see. Turn around. Okay, I know they say don't touch it because if you touch it, it creates frizz, so I'll just leave it here for right now. And then after this, once it's like dry, I'm gonna be using this oil. It's from Not Your Mother's, and scrunch out the crunch. So I guess later, once your hair gets dry, it's gonna be crunchy. Now that's what I do remember about in the past, is that my hair being crunchy because of the hairspray. But now, you add oil to get rid of that. So I will report back later, because, okay, don't touch it, don't touch it. Okay, so I will report back later when it's like a little bit more dry. Okay, so my hair is like 90% dry, so I'm gonna add in the hair oil. So let's see. I did about like 3 pumps. This smells really good. Okay, so this is how it looks. And I can tell that I do have frizz, so I need some help. What can I improve on? Let me know down below, but not bad for my first try. So yeah, let me know what I should do next.